If you'd like to add a pop of color to the rear end of your Polaris Slingshot, then our Peel and Stick Drive Belt Sprocket Accent Kit may be just for you. This kit's available in over 3 dozen color options, including real carbon fiber, and accentuates the 12 spokes on the rear drive belt sprocket, creating a really unique appearance that looks great while parked and while the Slingshot's in motion. Now, if you're unfamiliar with our Tough Skins products, these aren't some cheap vinyl decals. This material is thick and pliable and is coated with a UV-resistant top coat to protect against the elements. They're also backed with a 3M adhesive tape to keep the pieces securely in place for years to come. So start by using a T40 Torx to unscrew and remove these 3 Torx screws so they can lift your belt guard up and off. Now, before we begin adhering the strips, be sure to thoroughly clean the surface area of any and all dirt and debris. Then, prep the surface area with an alcohol wipe prior to installation. We'd also recommend installing with a surface temperature between 72 and 110 degrees Fahrenheit for maximum adhesion. Next, test fit the pieces to see how they will align. Then, peel back a small section of protective backing tape, line it up where you want it, and then press down firmly to adhere into place, peeling back small sections as you go. Finally, you can reinstall your belt guard. And then once fully installed, we'd recommend waiting at least 24 hours before your next ride so that the pieces have time to reach their maximum bond strength. So if adding some color to the rear end of your Slingshot is on your mod list, then be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today or click the link in the description below to grab a kit for yourself. And don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date on everything Slingshot. I'm Brandon, signing out. Till next time.